Here we are in section 3.2 exercises part A with the solutions to number 6 through 9. Number 6, I have created a triangular garden such that the largest side, wait a second, let's draw out a triangle so that we can start to label some things. Such that the largest side is 8 meters less than twice the smallest, and the medium side is 12 meters larger than the smallest side. If the total perimeter of the garden is 104 meters, what are the lengths of the three sides? All right, let's write this out. The largest side is 8 meters less than twice the smallest. So here's the largest side is, now 8 meters less than, this is subtraction, but it always puts the 8 on the other side. So we're taking something, subtract 8. So 8 meters less than twice the smallest. So 2 times S for the smallest. All right, we better label that smallest side over here as an S. The medium side is 12 meters larger than the smallest side. So here we have the medium side, and it says it is 12 meters larger than, that's plus, the smallest side. Great. And then we have, right here it says that the perimeter, total perimeter, is 104 meters. So perimeter equals 104. Can we use that information and create a formula? Well, there is a formula for perimeter. It takes and adds up all three sides to equal 104. That's what the formula for perimeter is. That's how we measure around the object. So we get perimeter 104 has to equal all of those sides added up. The smallest side plus the medium side, which was 12 plus S, plus the largest side, which was 8 less than twice the smallest. So here we have the smallest, the medium, and the large side adding up to 104. Hey, look at that. We should put a smiley face by that thing right there. That is an equation, and we know how to solve that one. Let's keep going. We can combine the s's together and we get 104 equals 1, 2, 3, 4 s's. So we put the 4 s's together, and we have a plus 12 and a minus 8 that go together to be a plus 4. Oh, we can solve that. Subtract 4 from both sides, subtract 4, and we get 100 equals 4s. Let's move it up here. 100 equals 4s. Divide by 4, divide by 4, and we get s equals 25. S equals 25. Well, that only gives us one of the answers. Let's go back and see what the others might be then. If S is 25, the medium side, it says it's 12 plus that smallest. 12 plus 25 is 37. So M must equal 37. And then the largest side is 25. If we take and put it right in there, 2 times 25 is 50. Minus 8 is 42. So the largest is 42. Now, do we know what these guys are? Yeah, we're in meters. So meters, meters, and meters. Okay, let's check our answer. 25 meters, 37 meters, 42 meters. Good. Number 7. If a rectangle's length is 5 more than 3 times the width and the perimeter is 58 millimeters, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Oh, so we have a rectangle. Let's draw our rectangle off on the side and put down what we know about it. It says its length, so we have a width and a length, and it says there that the length is 5 more than means plus, 5 more than 3 times the width. Alrighty. And the perimeter is 58. Now, do we have a formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? We do indeed. And the perimeter equals, let's write it over here, 2L plus 2W. So P is 58. We stick that guy in. 2 times the length, which we found out right there, was 5 plus 3W, and then plus 2W. Hey, look at that. That is something that we can, ta-da, happy about we're in an equation. We can solve that. So let's distribute to get rid of the parentheses, and we have 58 equals 10 plus 6w plus 2w. Does that simplify at all? Combine those like terms, and we do. We have 58 equals 10 plus 8w. To get w by itself, we have to undo and subtract the 10 off from both sides, and we get 48 equals 8w. So divide by 8, and we get that w equals 6. That comes out right on. That's nice. W equals 6. And the length, if this guy right in here is 6, then 3 times 6 is 18 plus 5 must mean that L is 23. So we're in millimeters. So the width is 6 millimeters and the length is 23 millimeters. Let's check our answer. Width is 6 millimeters, length is 23. Good. Number 8. If a parallelogram, so we'll draw a little picture over here of a parallelogram. Good. Has an area, let's write that down. Area is 258.9 centimeters squared, and has a base, so this little base right here is 23.2, that's B. How tall is it? So that question says, what is H? The formula for the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. And we have B is 23.2, and we don't know what H is, but the area is 258.9. Can we solve that for H? We can. Just divide both sides by that 23.2. Divide by 23.2. So we get H equals, and calculator time, 258.9 divided by 23.2. Looks like 11.16, and we're in centimeters. So let's double check our answer. 11.16 centimeters. Good. And you could have rounded that to 11.2 or 11.159. 2 decimal places, just kind of convenient there. Number 9. Find the missing variable. This is a trapezoid. So this is something that looks like that. And it says we're looking at area, little base, height, big base. And what was that formula that we had? Area equals 1/2 height times the big B plus the little b. Let's put the numbers in that we have. 68 equals 1/2 times h, which is 4, times 21 plus little b. Alrighty, there we go. Well, 1/2 times 4, we can do that. That is 2. Hey, this is a happy equation. We can do this one. Let's write this out. 68 equals, and this 2 can now jump in there. 42 plus 2b. Subtract 42 from both sides, and they cancel on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we're left with 26 equals 2b. Divide both sides by 2, and we get b equals 13. Ooh, so this b is 13 what? Centimeters, inches? Nope, we're with feet. And the area is feet squared, but this is a base, so it will just be a measure of 13 feet. Let's check our answer. B equals 13 feet. Good.